What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tony Swedberg, and today I'm making a late night video. It's 11 p.m. at night. I'm playing Monopoly, and man, does it get me thinking about money. You know, I'm owning all these properties. My wife's kicking my butt. She has like hotels on everything. But in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make $1 million. Okay, the big $1 million question. So this came across me today, and it's just going to get you guys brainstorming, okay? So I want you guys to comment down below and let me know maybe any ideas that you guys have. But pretty cool. So how to make $1 million, just a little post someone did that I wanted to share with you guys. Sell 200 product to 5,000 people. Sell a $500 product to 2,000 people. Sell a $1,000 product to 1,000 people. Sell a $2,000 product to 500 people. Sell a $4,000 product to 250 people. Okay, so, you know, this might be like, oh man, what am I going to sell? What am I going to do? Maybe you're at a commission job. You have to sell this many cars or this many homes, and this is your commission on average, and that's how many you got to sell. But what this makes me think of is building a following. You know, you build a huge following, you come up with a really good product or maybe a really good course that you can sell, and that just comes with, like, you know, just having a lot of value, having a very good skill that people are trying to learn that's very hard to learn, and you can teach them and you know, provide tons of value. They make a bunch of money off the skill. Like, I teach people how to sell cars or sell in general. They make tons of money. Sometimes people are making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 more a month just after a few training sessions with me. If you do want a training session, make sure to email me. It's Tony Swedberg, first and last name, at yahoo.com. So Tony Swedberg at yahoo.com, and we'll set up a live video chat face-to-face, and I'll train you. So next is 5,000 people pay you $17 a month for 12 months, which is pretty cool. I think that if you started maybe building websites, you could do that. 2,000 people pay you $42 a month for 12 months. You know, you're going to make $1 million. 1,000 people pay you $83 a month for 12 months. My light just shut off. But 500 people pay you $167 a month for 12 months. 250 people pay you $333 a month for 12 months. So just having a big following, I think, you know, if let's say I have 10,000 people, which I'm almost at right now, 1,000 people pay me $83 a month for 12 months. I started, think if I got 1,000 people, now think if I did $83 a month and it was like, I'm going to train you, let's say once a week for a month, you know, that's like 20 bucks a session, super cheap. If I did that to 1,000 people for 12 months, I would make $1 million, which is pretty crazy. I wouldn't even have to think about it. I'd just jump into it. $83 a month for 4 training sessions is pretty cheap. But mine are more than that, just so you guys know, but they're smaller than your smallest commission deal. So hit me up and comment down below and let me know what you think about that and any ideas, you know, of something that you could sell, you know, 200 products to $200 a product to 5,000 people. Let me know a product you have in mind or something you think you could do. Maybe it's drop shipping. Comment down below and hit that thumbs up if you guys like the video.